Thank you for watching AmazonSellersLawyer.com Insider Information. My name is CJ Rosenbaum, and our law firm helps thousands of sellers every single year all over the world get their listings back, their accounts back, protect their private label brands, and stands up to Amazon for you when you need help. Okay, what I want to talk to you about today are business verification issues, selling in Germany, restricted product suspensions, and last but not least, intellectual property complaints and intellectual property lawsuits. And at any point in time, you can stop, you can post a question in the comments below, and I will personally make sure that you get the information that you need. Business verifications. If you are sending documents to Amazon and they get rejected, you need to stop the presses. Don't send the same documents in over and over again. And if you're not sure what to send, don't do anything at all without calling us for a free consultation. The more you send in the wrong information, the more Amazon rejects your plan of action and your documents, the harder it is to get the win. So don't send in the same thing over and over again, and certainly don't send in redacted documents without sending in the original as well. Restricted products are simply a matter of confusion. Before you sell a product, you need to make sure, one, it's not restricted across the board, and number two, it's not restricted in the particular area where it's going to be delivered. I'll give you an example. You cannot sell radar detectors for cars in certain portions of Canada. Also, you cannot sell anything to do with CBD. And if your listing has anything that sounds medical in nature, you may get dinged by Amazon by simply having something that appears to be to Amazon to be a medical claim or a treatment for some disease. So you need to be careful about your restricted products. And if you have any issues or any concerns, you can go to our blog, or I want to make it even easier for you, go to the comments below and type a question. Well, I need more information about how to properly list hair products. I need more information about how to properly try and sell hemp-based products, which are another source of problem. Last thing I want to talk to you about are intellectual property right complaints and the lawsuits that are now pending. Now, authorization to sell a product has nothing to do with intellectual property. It is not a violation of anybody's intellectual property rights for you to sell a brand's products without authorization. Trademark law, copyright law, trade dress, and patents, those are entirely separate issues from authorization. And again, if you want to learn more, go to our YouTube channel, go to our blog. Last but not least, Grumpy Cat. I don't know if any of you guys are selling Grumpy Cat products or you were selling Grumpy Cat products, but the owner of Grumpy Cat filed litigation against sellers, and their litigation is expanding. What happened is they started a lawsuit in secret, they got a restraining order in secret, and you're only finding out about it when your money and your account gets frozen. If you received an order, if your accounts or your money has become frozen because of a court order, leave me a comment below or call us for a free consultation. We are here for sellers 7 days a week, practically 24 hours a day. Okay, thank you for watching AmazonSellersLawyer.com Inside Information.